All right, guys, so we got the Fanttik right here. This thing is sweet. This is the NEX S1 Pro 16-bit model, and I'm going to tell you a couple reasons why you need to pick this up. One, you have a light. Check that out. Right here, when you have the bit in there, you're going to be able to light up the area that you need to see. This is going to be for that smaller style project. So one, having a light in areas and doing with stuff is perfect and needed right there. Second thing, all your bits come in one. This is your carrying case. Okay, drop this in here just like so. Click that down, flip this over, click that down, and boom. 16 bits, one screwdriver, rip-roaring and ready to go in one case. That's point number two. Point number three, you have three different modes that you can charge or work this by. So you have a low, medium, and high. And let's go ahead and see how easy it is with regards to putting on different bits. So let's see, we got a flathead right here. All ready to go. We're going to drop this back in here because I don't need it out. It's magnetic. Boom. And we're going to turn it on. Forward. That's forward on one. A little bit more torque. And last but not least, we're all the way over. Boom on number three. So you're getting a ton of torque. I'm going to go forwards, backwards. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Last but not least, you got easy USB-C charging on there without any problems. This thing stores up. And it is an absolute dream to have in the house because you have all the tools that you need rip-roaring and ready to go right here for you. Fanttik has an awesome product. Let's go ahead and see. I'm putting it back together just like that, and you are ready to go. Check out the Fanttik NEX S1 Pro.